What's up, YouTube? I'm doing my first bike check. Let's see. Fit Tech grips, awesome grips, best ones ever ridden. Stolen bar ends, Shadow stem, Odyssey lumberjack bars, S&M pitchfork, Shadow Raptor hub with the Shadow rim, Odyssey cassette hub with the Odyssey hazard light rim, Steve Hamilton sealed pedals, profile cranks with titanium spindle. We got the Tree spline drive sprocket, pretty awesome. Shadow slinger seat, it's pivotal, the stolen pivotal seat post. And last but not least, you got the stolen cheater frames. That's it.